Silver, A.G. by Vineeth Gangaram. Period 6, Mr. Hill, Honors Chemistry. Basic information of silver. Silver was originally called sulfur in Anglo-Saxon and argentums in Latin. Silver's symbol is Ag and atomic number is 47 and is considered a transition metal. Silver's electron configuration is krypton 5s1 4d10. Silver's melting point is 961.93 degrees Celsius and a boiling point of 2,212 degrees Celsius. Its specific heat at 20 degrees Celsius is 0.237 joules divided by grams times moles. History of silver. Silver has been used as far back as man can remember for currency, medicine, and religion. Silver production began in Anatolia, modern-day Turkey. By 3000 BC, silver was used as a form of currency in Mesopotamia. The Chaldeans created the most sophisticated processing of silver ore in 2500 BC. The process was called cupellation and extracted silver from lead-silver ores. After the destruction of Minoans in 1600 BC, silver production moved to the Greek city-state Athens. This became key in the development of Greece, allowing them to have a stable monetary system and a more stable society. After the Punic Wars, the Romans began mining in Spain for silver, providing Rome with their domestic needs as well as paying for their trade. As time went on, silver became more popular throughout the world and silver mines were established in many countries. Silver in mythology. In the Egyptian religion, the goddess Isis was represented by silver and one of the 7 sacred metals was silver. In Greek and Roman mythology, silver was the second age where all humans were made of silver and was inferior only to the gold age. Apollo and Artemis also had ties with silver. Apollo had a silver bow and Artemis had a silver hand. In the Hindu Vedas, silver was said to be able to cure illnesses and be a liver and spleen detoxifier. Silver was also associated with the third eye, the 6th out of the 7 chakra centers. Silver is also said to kill werewolves after Jean Castel supposedly killed the beast of Jeduvin, an abnormally large and violent wolf in France, with silver. Chemistry of silver. Silver is generally stable when exposed to water or air, but silver tarnishes when exposed to ozone, hydrogen sulfide, or air containing sulfur. Silver is not a very reactive metal. It is actually the 4th least reactive metal. In Argentina, to get silver, they ground a silver-bearing ore, Ag2S, silver sulfide, and then add sodium chloride and mercury. Then mules ground the rock mixture, creating a fine powder. The energy for the reaction is provided by the warm climate. Silver sulfide reacts with the sodium chloride, which then becomes a silver chloride and sodium sulfate. Then the silver chloride reacts with mercury and becomes mercuric chloride and pure silver. Some popular silver compounds are silver iodide, used for seeding rain, silver chloride, used in pH meters, silver bromide, can be used for windows, and silver nitrate, used to preserve flowers. Uses of silver. Silver has many uses. Some include medicine, photography film, electronics, x-rays, water purification, finances, and jewelry and silverware. Silver was first mentioned as a medical material in the Ayurvedic text as a tonic to rejuvenate patients with a disease. Greeks and Romans stored water and wine in silver vessels to keep them from spoiling. In the Middle Ages, silver protected the wealthy from the plague. The wealthy used silver utensils and it would kill a majority of the bacteria. As the potency of antiseptics decline, silver becomes a more reliable antibacterial. Because viruses and bacteria evolve new strains that are resistant to antiseptics, the antiseptics become ineffective. Nanosilver is a specific type of silver used to combat bacteria. Nanosilver is measured in billionths of a meter. The silver works as either in denaturation or oxidation. In denaturation, silver acts as a catalyst, breaking apart disulfide bonds necessary for a certain enzyme. This does not allow the enzyme to control the cell's exposure to oxidation reactions, and the oxygen in the air breaks down in the cell walls, destroying the cell. Because silver is a catalyst, none of the silver is lost in the reaction, allowing silver to be used without need for replenishing. Silver nitrate solution 0.5% discovered in 1965 and silver sulfadiazine discovered in 1968 are used as burn salves. Silver sulfadiazine is the most frequently used topical agent due to its low toxicity, ease of application, and minimum pain. It is used for the prevention and treatment of infection in 2nd to 3rd degree burns, but is not as effective when dealing with larger burns. Some negative effects are pain, burning, and itching are sometimes reported. Silver nitrate solution is used to prevent infection in 2nd and 3rd degree burns. Its use is limited because it needs frequent dressing changes. Some other effects are it causes an electrolyte imbalance. The unfortunate problem of using silver is that an excess of silver imparts a gray color to skin, hair, and eyes.